Welcome back to Bites MD. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ginger milk pudding with 3 simple ingredients. I'll grate the ginger. This will make about 1.5, maybe 2 if you don't like it too spicy, bowl of the milk pudding. Bowl is about this size, so about, 250 milliliters or so. Take a fine mesh, put a garlic in here, and we'll just press down and get all the juices out. If you have a juicer, probably a lot easier than manually grating the ginger. And you can keep this for a stock. There's still flavor in it. It's roughly about 1 tablespoon, maybe a little bit more per bowl. I'm making 3 bowls of milk pudding, so I'm just going to measure with here. So that's roughly about like 200 milliliters or so. I'm going to bring this up to 70 degrees Celsius. I'm going to add some condensed milk. And since I'm doing 3 bowls, I'm going to add 3 heaping tablespoons of condensed milk. You know what? Let's make it 4. My wife likes it a little sweeter. Always stir the bottom of the milk every now and then, just so this way it doesn't burn. And feel free to taste if the sweetness is enough for you. Okay, it's at 70 degrees. I'm just going to turn off the heat. We're just going to let this sit until it settles.